Hey guys, it's me Alexis, and I'm going to be testing out slime. And for this one, you need a bowl, a mixing tool, toilet paper, yes, sounds weird, but, and dish soap. You could use any kind of dish soap, but I'm using Dawn, and you could add as much as you want. This is how much I put. Sorry if you can't see it, but that's how much I put. And my brother is coming naked without hands. So yeah.
What are you making?
Slime.
I like
Testing
slime.
slime. So,
I like
so
slime.
you need to make a little piece by little, because if you like do the whole thing, it's gonna be all clumpy and it's not gonna be stretchy. This is the video said. At least. Yeah, this is how it is. And you wanna mix it slow, not fast, cause.
I want to make slime.
No,
Why?
cause it's my channel.
I'll just say a bad one.
I don't care. You think I care? So mix it slow and put as much as toilet paper you want. I don't know why I got a lot, because it looks like I need a little bit. Yeah, I put one dish soap. Probably next video I'll do testing slime, flour, and water. And you know what's really really messed up? My grandma doesn't have any water. Like literally no water. It's like frozen. The tubes are frozen. No water can't come out from the bathroom, sink, shower, toilet, literally. And that's uncomfortable how the toilet doesn't work. I'm at the house alone with my brother and my grandma. My great grandma. My grandma and my grandpa are at a doctor's appointment, but my grandma wouldn't get mad if I make slime. Because I told her, oh, can I please make slime? If I do this, I'll get a lot of money and I could teach people how to make slime. No. She got a pencil in her hair. Like, why? What?
Can you get the poop out?
That's your poop.
No, that was not you. I was just playing these blocks.
So in the bathroom, he's telling me to take out the poop from the bathroom.
Because I was playing these blocks.
Yeah, but don't let any toilet paper be stuck in the spoon. Let it, you have to let the toilet paper be all like this. Yep, she's in the video. She's pretty messed up, so that's how it looks like. Okay. Okay. Yes, I. Especially my grandpa. My grandpa is really nice. Like, he doesn't care if I do anything. Well, he does care, but he's nice. So, yeah, you gotta mix it slow. Sometimes she gets too annoying and I gotta yell at her. Like, it's almost, the toilet paper is gonna almost take all of the dish soap. So, and it has to take all of the dish soap, literally all. And it's been taking 4 minutes for this. Yeah, probably need a little bit more dish soap. talking to the spoon. It's not supposed to. Okay, sometimes I feel like this place is haunted because on Musically, follow me on Musically, it's Alexis De Luna 24. But yeah, so in my old Musically account that I don't use anymore because my phone broke, then so my friends would always text me and say this. I just felt something like touch me. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make. I'm trying
What
to.
is that noise?
Just a carpet.
This is what I mean. She gotta yell. Shh. Yeah, and it says this post has been with people since blah blah blah. If you don't send this to 15 or 10 people, it will stay with you, and it's true. I thought it was fake, so that's why I didn't send it to people.
Alexis, I got a present for you.
It's blocked. I know. Yeah, but don't let it be all like stretchy, because that means you need to put like it needs to be like really stretchy. But yeah, and right now my friend Gloria, she did a nice one. She said day one like you'll wake up with a big surprise. Day two, like some good stuff is gonna happen. And actually got a crush on someone. And day three said you'll be kissed by that guy. And and there was 5 days of good luck will happen to you, and I always get bad luck. So, and it said you have to send that to 15 people in 10 minutes, and I made it. I'll just see tomorrow if it's true. No grite, chava. Yes, it is, Alex. I'll show you. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'll show you.
It's not proud. She's in Mexico.
No, that's her mother's house in Mexico. So yeah. Dang, it's been 8 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna like hurry up a little bit. Okay, so that's the last toilet paper I need. So that's how it looks like, and it has to be like stretchy a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's good. No. Because in the video, it worked out for her. I don't know if it's gonna work out for me. If it worked out for her, it didn't work out for me. She lying. But yeah, so after this, they're gonna put this in the freezer. These for an hour. So at 12 o'clock, I'm gonna take out the slime. Because it's 11 o'clock right now. Yeah. Put it in the freezer. In the freezer, not fridge. Freezer. Which is freezer. Yeah, I put it in here. You might want to take out the spoon because it's not gonna be good. I'm just gonna leave the spoon there. So yeah, just leave it there for an hour, and I'll come back an hour. I don't know what this says. Someone in the comments, I know Spanish, but I'm not really good at reading Spanish. But yeah, like, share, and subscribe this channel. I'll do another video when it's ready. So yeah, bye.